Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can add the news label on CapCut PC. So you can use an overlay, but if you want to customize it even more, just go to text here, go to add in default text, go to bubbles, scroll down to the very bottom, and here you can find a bunch of options for news, I guess. Well, mostly these ones here. So select the one that you want. I'll just select this blue one here. Place it where you want, maybe at the bottom. And you can customize the text here, saying like blah blah blah. This is just an example. You can also change the font size, the font as well here. And the font size, it's going to try to fit in as much as it can in the text. But that is pretty much it. Really super simple. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.